Meteorologist Anthony Bordenero joins us in the backyard. Anthony, it has been a long day for the weather department, both inside and outside the building.
Yeah, that's an understatement, Jack. Just so the viewers at home know, I walked to work today. I could have asked for a ride, but I wanted the full Northeast Pennsylvania experience. I only live about a mile and a half. And as you see here, it is snowing once again. We're getting a nice other burst here in the WNEP backyard as we see this last round of snow pass in before it quiets ultimately for the overnight and for the next couple of days. But I want to show you a weather impact alert because we do have one here. It's because of the treacherous travel and some additional snowfall that we'll see. Shovel and plow, that's going to be the story for tomorrow. I'm about sick and tired of brooming this backyard. But we got to do it one more time, it looks like here. So Brodheadville got 12 inches. Waymart, Courtney actually sent this in. Courtney Harrison at her place, a foot of snow. Lock Haven, just under 10 inches. Sealands Grove, just under 10. And Susquehanna, 8.5. Those look like they'll add a little bit. I got those about an hour or two ago. So in our backyard, 9.3 inches. The story of today is now we've had the most snow in a January since 2011. So that's my big takeaway for today. It's one of the snowiest Januaries, and we already had a pretty snowy December as well. So right now we are sitting in the teens, 14 degrees with the north wind. It's continuing to push in that cold air. So we're pretty much in the teens everywhere, except if you're cooler than that, you got Wellsboro at 9 and other parts in the single digits as well. Active watches in the morning, still got that winter storm warning. It does expire, and that's because these snow showers are gradually come to an end. But notice, Lackawanna County right now pushing into Wayne County, seeing these big puffy flakes. And also, shout out to Sullivan County, you're seeing this activity as well. Bradford, Towanda, Sayre, Athens, those areas continuing to see this activity push in throughout the rest of the evening. But look at that dry slot. This is the bingo. This is what we need to start wrapping up. So winds are calm right now, which is kind of a light fluffy snow that's passing in. We'll see a brief snow shower pass in, may add a half an inch, maybe a little bit more, but that's about it for the snow. But the cold weather stays. 16 degrees tomorrow morning, and notice not warming up a lot tomorrow afternoon, but it will be warmer than today, and the winds will pick up, and that will put a factor into the wind chill. And it'll continue to be like that for days. So temperatures in the teens and lower 20s tomorrow, but then a front passes in and it gets bone-chilling cold once again. So take a look going into your Tuesday morning with the snowpack. It allows the temperatures to fall even more. So I'm expecting negatives and lower single digits on your Tuesday morning, and all important wind chill. It'll be feeling like 15 below, 5 below to 15 below. So here are your lows over the next coming days. Tomorrow looks like a summer day compared to the next couple. Continuing to be the low single digits and potentially below zero. So that low pressure leaves. We'll see another weak clipper system pass in, but the good news is Lake Erie now is pretty much all frozen over. So we're not going to see huge accumulations with this clipper system, maybe a dusting to a little bit more. And we continue to see this northwest cold flow until about Saturday, I think. And then we'll start warming up a little bit. So there's a little bit of warm weather on the 7-day, well, warmer weather, I guess you could say, on the 7-day, but you really have to squint to find it. It's on next Sunday where we could reach 30 degrees in some spots, maybe above freezing. But Jack, it's going to continue to be cold. Cold is the name of the game, and a lot of the snow that we've been getting now is not going to melt. So you better shovel it now.
Cold is the name of the game, and we are certainly playing it here. Anthony, thank you very much.